Flextech is a family business. We produce a complete range of hose assemblies for the food, the pharmaceutical, the beverage, petrochemical markets, after various site visits or specific requests for specific applications. Flextech does a lot of bespoke, one-off designs, unique assemblies.
Robert Wicks, founder and managing director of Westerham Brewery. We've got a number of hoses, some of them have been with us for quite a long time, and Tim from Flextech Hose came down, did a complete audit of all of the hoses that we've got, and that's given us an opportunity to decide which ones to keep, which ones that need replacing, and therefore a great opportunity to make sure that the hoses that we've got are up to the standards that we need.
I'm Justin Hawk. I'm the owner and head brewer at Moor Beer Company and Brewer of the Year. Fantastic hoses. We get all our hoses from them, recommend them to other people. Bounce rings work really well for us, sight glasses, everything else. So nothing but good things to say.
Every time I go to a restaurant or a different town, I try different beers, and I can't pick my favourite. There is no favourite. Sorry. I'm really sorry.